Hello scholars, welcome to day 16 of SAT Math Prep. My name is Dr. Jide, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to simplify expressions using exponents. So we have this expression and we're supposed to simplify it, and these are the options for this question. So which options is the correct answer? So like I said, I'm going to be showing using exponents to simplify this expression. All right. So if you look at this expression, we have 24x to the power of 4, 36 to the power of x to the power of 3, 12 to the power of 12x to the power of 2, divided by 12x squared also. Now if you look at it, 12 is the denominator, right? And all these numbers, 24, 36, and 12, are factors of 12. All right? So that makes things easier for us. So what I can do is this expression, I can write it again as 24x to the power of 4 divided by 12x squared plus 36x cubed divided by 12x squared minus 12x squared divided by 12x squared. See, makes things easier. So here 12 goes in 24 twice. Remember, 24 is a factor of 12. All right, so I have 2 here. Now x to the power of 4 divided by x to the power of 2. For exponents, when you have exponents and you are dividing, what do? You subtract the exponents together. So 2x to the power of 4 minus 2 plus 12 goes here 3 times, right? So I have 3x, the same law of exponents, especially when you're dividing, what do? You subtract, right? X cubed minus 3 minus 2, okay? Then minus this is just 1, okay? So I have 2x squared, 4 minus 2 is 2, plus 3x 1, right? Minus 1, and that is your answer. 2x squared plus 3x minus 1, and that is this one. See, it's very simple way of using exponents to simplify expressions. If you found value from this video, please subscribe, turn on your notifications, and also share this video with your friends, colleagues, and classmates. And I will see you in day 17. Thank you.